interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The 5 p.m. area weather observations. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Chesterfield County, the city of Hopewell, Charles City County, Prince George County, southwestern New Kent County, southeastern Henrico County, northwestern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, northwestern James City County in southeastern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Providence Forge to near Jordan's Point to near Chester, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Providence Forge around 5:55 p.m. Adkins Store and Ruthville around 6 p.m. Charles City around 6:10 p.m. Prince George, Holdcroft and Jordan's Point around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rouseville around 6:25 p.m. Claremont, Tono, Garysville, Cabin Point, and Rustic around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Taylor's Corner, Chickahominy Shore, Wayside, Birchett, Spring Grove, Mountcastle, Brandon, Jordan Point Country Club, Lenexa, and New Bohemia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Caroline County, southeastern Hanover County, northwestern King William County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Dawn, or 7 miles northeast of Ashland, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hanover and Bengali around 8:50 p.m. Steadily around 9:05 p.m. Macklin around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Enfield, Central Garage, Gumtree, Upshaw, Etna Mills, Hipworth, Westwood, Townell, Rumford, and Globe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. 8 p.m. area weather observations. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central King and Queen County, northeastern New Kent County, southern King William County until 10 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Macklin, or near King William, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. your room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. For the official National Weather... The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Chesterfield County, the Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, the city of Petersburg, Prince George County, northeastern Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, northeastern Dinwiddie County, northwestern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:36 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Ettrick or over Virginia State University.